This is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show how you can check your mobile phone number on this device. Start, you will need to launch settings, then enter the mobile network category, go for the SIM management, and below the SIM card's name you can also see that the phone number is, displayed as well, right over here and right over there. On the other hand, there is another method to check the phone number. Get back to the main settings menu, enter the about phone category, then go for the status, and onwards, I guess that would be IMEI SV, or not actually, network. Yep, and at the network page you can also see my phone number SIM1 and my phone number SIM2 as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.